The best bangs are achieved by determining your face shape. Most women's face shape fall into one of 6 categories: oval, square, round, oblong, heart, or diamond. Face shape is determined by taking 4 measurements. The first measurement is face length. Measure the top of your hairline to the lowest part of your chin. The second measurement is forehead width. Measure the distance across your forehead from hairline to hairline. The third measurement is cheekbone width. Measure the highest point of your cheekbone to the other highest point of your cheekbone. Fourth, jawline width. Measure below your ear to the center of chin and multiply by 2. Now that you've determined your face shape, here are your top bang recommendations based on face shape.